we're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread it all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. Also, those who purchased the 3 Kids books, it's time to re-educate. And then also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also, those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And right now, we are moving up a little. We have Bitcoin over 48,000. Also, we have Solana making a comeback. Remember, I spoke about that last week. Do not let that dip scare you. I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But guys, also, we know we're the only game in town on the weekend. So as soon as that stock market closes, we know money flows into crypto. Now, what's also important, guys, that CME futures, the micro, the Ethereum are going to end early this month because the last Friday is on the 24th, just a few days after the Fed speaks. So, guys, make sure you're paying attention to the indicators, volume, tether, USDC. We know this is a very, very important week that's coming up. Now, do not forget, of course, we have the Fed still doing $1 trillion. Right now, their website is down. I was trying to pull the actual app, and right now, they're actually doing maintenance. But we know they're doing over $1 trillion a day. Remember, Friday, they do it for 3 days. It covers us until Tuesday. Now, I did a video last night about the Fed officials disclosing the purchases of bonds, the same ones the Fed were actually buying. And guys, we know this is strategic, the Hegelian dialectic. Remember, they want to get rid of this old legacy system that we have now and move us over to blockchain, tokenization. So everything is wrong with this system. Things that nobody should be doing. Now it's time for us to be able to see everything. So therefore, the rich can't get away with anything. But guys, we know that they have a private blockchain. JP Morgan is building Federal Reserve 2.0 on blockchain. We know the Fed has never been audited and never will be. And guys, do not forget about Grayscale, the whale. They did pull back a little on Friday. Now, guys, getting over into a little crypto news. We have Bakkt to go public next month after SEC okay SPAC plan. So again, guys, we have another crypto company going public, and we know that ICE is behind Bakkt and have also been over the tie-in with Bitcoin Lightning and Bakkt. Now we have Huobi Global token burn spikes 55% in August, and we have a few major cryptos that are burning the supply, but we know who controls supply and demand. That's right, the Fed. But when we go into this bull run, It's going to make a big difference. And remember, the crypto teacher told you. Now we have games maker Animoca brands to acquire majority stake in NFT platform Bondly. And we know with millennials and Generation Z, games are going to push tokenization, and they're going to move over without even recognizing it. It's going to be the normal. It's not going to be a big deal to them as the older generation. So adoption is going to move rapid because this is the only thing they know. Now we have Celsius back in the news, the CEO again. You can tell the New World Order is behind this agenda because they're back on the news, on the global stage. Remember, it doesn't matter whether it's good news or bad news, they're in the public eye. So therefore, they're going to get recognized. We know that DeFi is the new banking, like Brian Brooks stated. And then also we have Wyoming-based DAO files for S1 with FCC for token distribution. And we're seeing more and more of these decentralized autonomous organizations popping up. And lastly, guys, we have China pushing the digital yuan. And guys, we know this whole crypto economy is all about China. Nothing else. It's about the rise of China. Remember, next year, first quarter, the digital yuan goes live. And then also we have the Olympics. So they're going to be on the world stage. So, of course, guys, we're going to see the fall of Babylon, which we're experiencing right now, and the rise of China the dragon. Because we know when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But that's all I have for you guys. Don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books, It's Time to Re-Educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel, Cryptoteacher stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, while everybody's sitting at home getting their own stocks, the C-word, the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends. So therefore, we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.